Alright, YouTube, we're going to find out how much copper's in this stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 12. 13, 14. So we're going to tear these apart. See how much copper we got out of them. I'll show you one being done. Okay, these ones took about 3, maybe 4 minutes, taking my time. You'll want to cut that, not on the edge, but right there, just about where the V connects. I'll show you. Yes, I'll tell you, I spend a lot less for these blades. I'll leave a link down in the bottom. We'll do the math on what I do on these blades too. Cut, turn it, hit it. If the top gives you a problem, it usually pops off, but of course this is the last one. Hit it like that. Turn this thing around, hit it right here. Down in there and just push it. Sometimes they'll smack out. But like I said, this is the last one. This time they just fall out. The easy end. The way to tell is there'll be a transformer in here. And you'll be able to see all the metal right there. It'll tell you. And you just clean it off a little bit. Use a saw, use a claw hammer. It's easy. Really simple this way. This ain't easy, chicken ain't greasy, I promise. Then when you get to your clip, because there's a metal clip on the end of this, hit it off. See that clip? Real simple. Don't worry about that little extra wire. If you're worried about that, then stop and take them off. But this is all going in 10 tricks. You got wire in it. Clean your other end off a little bit. Just a little bit. Ain't got to be spectacular or nothing. I don't want to get stuff all over the floor. Get to your clip right there. Get your clip off. And then if you want, you can walk around, beat this stuff off. Once you get them clips off, this shit comes off easy. Look, that whole piece of metal fell off. Ready for the metal whack? Let's show you. Right here, where we took that clip off both ends, tap it with a hammer. It comes right off. This one's ready to run through the vise. Copper. Let's do another one. Scale's on zeros, and here's your bucket. Now I'll show you how to clean these up if your yard requires it. My yard knows it's number 2. They know what I do. Some yards are picky. So 20 pounds. 20 pounds. Took me an hour to do that. 20 times 3, because I get $3.30 a pound, but 20 times 3 is $60. So I made about $65 in that hour, tinkering around, making you guys an awesome video of how I do these. Alright, as promised, these are the cutting wheels I'm using. I'll have the Amazon link below. Yes, it's an affiliate link, and I get a little penny or two from it. Alright, and if you made it this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for all the new subscribers. And thank you for whoever's sharing this out, because I'm getting a lot of views, more than normal. Mad love and respect to all you guys.